Welcome students. Today we are solving the exercise 4.2. Exercise 4.2 question number 1 is give first the step you will use to separate the variables and then solve the equations. Means इस क्वेश्चंस में पहले x की वैल्यू निकालनी है. ठीक है, x की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है, लेकिन यूज़ द सेपरेट, दोनों सेपरेट टर्म्स को लेते हुए. ओके, सो ऑल क्वेश्चन, फर्स्टली आई वांट टू टेल यू ऑल क्वेश्चन आर सेम, सो प्लीज सी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन केयरफुली. Here first question is x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we have to remove minus 1. So we are adding plus 1 in left hand side and plus 1 is right hand side. So here plus minus be cancels and 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So we got the value of x be 1. Okay, this is our answer. Now so we got the value of x be 1. That is our answer. Now second question is the same as question number 1. Here we have to remove first plus 1. So we are subtracting from minus 1 left hand side and minus 1 right hand side. So we got the answer minus 1. Same as here question number 3. We have to remove minus 1. So we have to add plus 1 in LHS and plus 1 is RHS. We got the value of x is equal to 6. So all questions same as question number A, B, C, D. You have to solve your own. Okay. Now question number 2 same as question number 1, but here the terms are used multiply and divide. So we have to firstly remove the support of the alphabets. Here question number 1 is 3l is equal to 48. 3l is equal to 48. We have to remove 3 from l. So here 3 is the form of multiply. So opposite of multiply is division. So we have to divide 3 both side. Okay. Now 3 से 3 cancels and 3 14s are 42. So value of L is equal to 14. This is our answer. Okay. So question number D, H, E are same. Now question number B. Okay. Here we have to remove 2. Here we have to remove 2 which is in denominator. B देखिए थे भी देखते हैं. Here question number B is b by 2 is equal to 6. So we have to remove division of 2. So we are multiplying by 2 LHS and right hand side means both side. So we got here 2 and 2 are cancels, 6 to 12. So answer is 12. Okay. Same as the questions, you have to solve your homework. Now question number 3 is here make us some equations. Now first question is एक्चुअली वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ एन अल्फ़ाबेट. जो भी अल्फ़ाबेट दी हुई उनकी वैल्यूज़ फाइंड करनी है इन क्वेश्चंस में. सो वी आर सेइंग दैट हेयर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 फर्स्टली वी हैव टू रिमूव -2. सो हाउ कैन इट रिमूव? वी कैन एडिंग +2 and +2. सो दैट दे आर कैंसल्ड. आफ्टर दैट n is the form of multiply. So we have to divide 3 and again divide 3. Okay. So this will be cancelled and the value of n is equal to 2 by 3. Now check. Step firstly we have to adding 2 both side. So we got these equations. After that divide by 3. So we got the value of n is equal to 16. 3 16 are 48. Okay, so 16 is our answer. Clear? Now B is the same of question number 1 and remaining questions are same. So C and D and B, all questions you have to solve in your homework. Now question number D 4, again same as question number 3. Firstly, question number first is 10p is equal to 100. Here 10 is the form of multiply, so opposite of multiply be division, so we have to divide by 10 both side. Then the value of p be 10. Same as all questions, that is a mixed question. For example, question number 2, here firstly we have to subtract from 10 because we have to remove firstly 10. After that remove 10 from p, so we have to divide. यदि कम शब्दों में बोला जाए तो ये बोलेंगे कि यदि प्लस की वैल्यू है तो उसमें माइनस करना है बोथ साइड, अदरवाइज प्लस है माइनस है, सो वी हैव टू डू प्लस. Either value be in multiply form, so we are dividing, and when the value is division form, so we have to multiply. Okay, so all questions solve in your homework. Now last question. No, there is no last questions, all questions are same, and we are solving one another questions, that is H. Here 3s is equal to 0, so we have to remove 3, that is the form of multiply, so we are dividing by 3 in both side, then the result be 0. Okay, all questions are same as you have to solve in your mind. Thank you, and subscribe my channel because my upcoming video has been you get easily. Okay, thank you.